呢，他提出了很多的理论，比如说像费米狄拉克统计费米。
This is iPad Pro USB-C version. I will show you how to let a iPad Pro USB-C version as an external monitor for the PC, Windows 10, or the Linux Raspberry Pi. Okay, first I will demo how to use the Windows. Okay, this is Windows HDMI output, and then please prepare a USB-C hub. Connect. And this is Fabon iOS HDMI capture card, HDMI input, and iOS output. Okay, iOS output connect this hub, and added the power DC 5 voltage, and HDMI source from the notebook. Okay, you see, and then turn on the app Media Link Live. Okay, and then the video, this video is its external source. Okay, and you can see. Okay, and I also can play a file. This is external video. Okay.
我研发免区 HDMI 截取卡对我们公司是没有利益的。为什么？因为已经开放了。
The next topic I will show you Raspberry Pi display on an iPad Pro USB-C version. Okay, please prepare the micro HDMI cable. Also connect the HDMI source of the Raspberry Pi. Turn on the app Media Link Live. Okay, you can see the blue screen. After you see the blue screen, and turn on the power of the Raspberry Pi. Okay. Raspberry Pi. Okay, this is Raspberry Pi. No problem.
费米呢，他提出了很多的理论，比如说像费米狄拉克统计费米狄